Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So today I wanted to show you this simple yet glam makeup look that I was inspired to create, and my inspiration came from none other than Dixie D'Amelio. Love them or hate them. With these TikTok stars, I see a lot of like differing views.
Cringe.
I do have to give them props for just really taking risk with their fashion and their makeup, and I feel like I feel very inspired and very creative every time I see the way they dress. Yeah, I'm with you on that one. Love them or hate them. Gotta love Addison and Dixie style though. I think the same thing with Ariana Grande. I just like how they take risks, they don't really stick to the norm, and I definitely draw a lot of inspirations from their looks. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this look I put together. It's kind of like a graphic cat wing type Smokey look, and I was also equally inspired by Ooh, Miguel has such a smooth voice. It would be such a dream if he ever sang at my wedding.
Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 you could bet that, never gonna sweat that. You could bet that, never gonna sweat that. That, never gonna sweat that. If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I'ma be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise a bet, cause you're the joker. Checked off, you are the chalk, and I could be the blackboard. You could be the talk, and I could be the walk. Even when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. So put your little hand in mine. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's do or die, we could do it, baby, simple and plain. Cause this love is a sure thing.
I hope you guys enjoyed that song. It definitely gives off those sultry vibes that I feel like this makeup look exudes. So if you want to see how I created this smoky, sultry look, then stick around and watch the tutorial. Okay, so the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so, and I also went ahead and did my brows. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes, so I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I am today going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette. And I'm going to first apply a base shade of Cashew Chew all over the lids. And then after that, I'm going to start drawing that kind of like radiant wing that Dixie had. So I'm going to first take my angled brush and I'm going to go in with this dark truffle shade and just kind of start scoping the shape out. start shading in this little shape area with this brown shade, and then afterwards I'm going to start blending everything together so it looks more seamless. So after I finish shading in this gradient area, I'm going to actually go in with another makeup palette. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to take some of these champagne shades such as Exotica and just shade this area and do some blending so it's not such a harsh transition. I'm also going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners with this Exotica shade. And I'm also going to take some of this Black Sugar shade and just draw in the lower lash line because the look is quite smoky. After that, I'm actually going to go ahead and take my liquid liner and I'm going to draw a kitten wing. Next up I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies. So again, I'm going to be using my Idole natural lashes. And now I'm going to go ahead and show my lower lashes some love as well. So I'm going to be using the Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara. I'm now going to use my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Flash Blush, and I'm just going to dust on some blush. And I'm going to go in with my highlighter. So again, I'm going to use my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. And now for the finishing touch, I'm going to use my usual favorite, which is the Lancome Les Absolute Rouge. There you have it. This is the finished look. If you guys like it, I think it is simple yet impactful, gives off those sultry vibes, so it's kind of perfect for, you know, if you want to go out or put together a look that is a little more extra in your usual everyday look. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks.